Explore Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
What happened ka jing Pyrshah na ki kenuhun sang bhalang ka rilum jaintia bat na ki nongshong ka daistong East Jaintia Hills District Henry ka Society for Environment Protection and Sustainable Development Lingbao Chairman ha ka arpinyo terik unaitung aja penrio kalami syakmat pan ajing Kyrshan ya ka jing pensngopai ba lani ka public hearing jong ka Shree Cement Limited ka ban salong ha ka lai puai terik unaitung aja penrio hau kurwa belapha skilap sai kubor chairman ka society uba WN Dakar uloong baga jing temu bala ajing Kyrshan ya ka public hearing kalong halor ka jinggular jong ka company ban aikam ajam syaki samla bat panwanra ya ka roi kapar syaki shnong bamarjan bat pan play ya ka lat aikam ya ki nong ti motion trajela bat ya ki nong shalan motion trajela
pertaining to the proposed public hearing conducted by the Shree Cement Company on the 31st July 2026 at Elekan Nongkli, East Jaintia Hills District. On behalf of the Society for Environment Protection and Sustainable Development, as a chairman, I would like to express and extend our support to the public hearing which will be held on 31st of this month. On the basis of facts and circumstances, we have witnessed in Jaintia Hills region, there are so many companies, cement companies, which has been established for the last decades, and we also found out that through this establishment of such cement factories, we witness so many development like job opportunities and similar development activities provided by these cement companies, and also through the setting up of cement companies, the government also in return earn revenue through the so many royalties, mineral royalties, and so on and so forth. So when it comes to the preservation and protection of the environment, the government, be it the central government through the Ministry of Forest and Environment, Climate Change, or be it the State Forest Department, they have formulated the rules and regulation that all these companies, they have to strictly follow the rules and regulation or the environmental norms to be followed, be it the Factory Act 1948, be it with the Environment Protection Act 1986. And pertaining to the protection of environment, the government has formulated the so-called District Mineral Foundation Fund, that each company have to contribute certain percentage to the mineral fund for the restoration and protection of environment. So if we would like to share to the public that we should not panic regarding or pertaining to the destruction of environment, because the government has already formulated the rules and regulation that the certain percentage have been fixed by the government for the restoration and protection of environment.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha upod usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artali ki jala ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phaudli ki karkhana red category but ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hang ta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pa ka khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya benta lang hinrai ka jingmi cha bo ka ya pher de nakata ka daw kini artali ki jala menta kis dang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan